My name is Jason Barker, and this is a presentation on MediBabble translation application. MediBabble is a smartphone application that was created by healthcare professionals after having a difficult time communicating with their patients who spoke a different language. This application allows users to translate commonly used medical-related questions into various different languages and play those scripted questions over their smartphone. The use of this application allows healthcare professionals to obtain more accurate health histories and perform more detailed assessments. MediBabble is easy to use and navigate, and even comes with a built-in tutorial. The creators of this application felt it was too important to the healthcare community to try and charge for it, so therefore it is free of charge to all users. Quick access to a translation app such as this is key in an emergency situation. The app provides instant access to hundreds of questions which are pre-recorded and can provide life-saving information to providers. The app makes getting understandable responses from your patient quite easy by offering a variety of yes or no answered questions, allowing the patient to simply nod their head or perform a hand gesture. MediBabble is currently available in 5 different languages. Some of those require additional downloads within the app. The app provides features that can assist with hearing impaired and vision impaired patients as well. MediBabble does not require internet connectivity in order to function. As long as the app is downloaded and installed on your device, the software will function without internet connection. MediBabble is very user-friendly and is set up in such a way that it is easy to navigate where you need to be. The home screen will start by providing a list of broad categories such as chief complaint, medical history, and physical exam. Once the user selects a broad category, they are taken to a submenu, which again is divided into header categories, further narrowing down the search and providing a list of questions that are most applicable to the topic at hand. If the user is unable to find the question they are trying to ask, they may use the search feature. The search feature allows you to enter terms such as diabetes, which returns questions such as, do you have diabetes, or do you take diabetes medication, etc. The app offers a guided tour to users to walk through how to use the app. One great function of this app is that once you find the question you need and get it translated into the appropriate language, the user is not expected to read the question in the other language. Rather, the app will recite it over the. There were no documented legal issues or ethical issues regarding MediBabble translation app. One issue that was addressed in the question and answer section was that whether or not hospitals would accept it as a viable translation source rather than a paid translator service that we are accustomed to seeing. The producers answered this question by stating that all the questions in this app were created and developed by physicians. The translations were done by professional translators, and then the translations were verified by hospital-certified medical translation specialists. The app does not create any issues as far as privacy, as it does not record or store any information, rather provide translations of questions to the patient. Advantages of MediBabble are, first and foremost, that it's free, so there is no restriction as to who gets to use this software. It is very user-friendly, including a tutorial. It provides instant access to translation of medical-related questions. The questions are available to be translated into multiple different language options, and the ability to provide largely yes or no answered questions makes ease of communicating with your patient. Disadvantages are the additional languages do require additional downloads within the app. There is the question of liability issues and whether or not hospitals trust this as a viable translator software. And then there's the altered perception of nurses who are seen on their phones in a healthcare setting. In conclusion, MediBabble is a very beneficial app for healthcare professionals and should be considered by all who interact with patients, especially those dealing with patients who speak other languages. MediBabble is very economical as there is no cost associated with it, It provides fast access to translation software and is an award-winning application as it was awarded Best Mobile App for Healthcare Professionals in 2011.